'cause at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
So it is chosen.
What's up, what's good, what's poppin'? You already know what's up. By the title, you already know it's gonna go down. But before we get too much into it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit the subscribe for me, because I really got back-to-back bangers for you guys. So subscribe to my channel. Okay, so by title, I'm gonna be doing the honk prank. I'm gonna be doing the honk break. The honk prank. There we go, the honk prank. Because I've been wanting to do this, like, why not, you know? So I did one of them to see how it was gonna look. Shout out to my friend's mom who did this shirt for me. It's so beautiful. Like, look, you see? I didn't. Oh, it's upside down. Whoa. Okay, please. I'm gonna make a new one because I messed up. So. This is the first one. Honk 4. Okay. And my brother's supposed to help me with this prank, but he's being such a booty head and playing his stupid game. Fortnite. Honk 4, good luck. This is about to be funny. It's gonna make it so funny. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't even know where to put it in the car. But yeah. My parents are Hispanic, so you already know how that goes down. Locos. But I'm not gonna make this too long, so stay tuned. I'm gonna get to y'all whenever my mother is here because she went somewhere. I don't know, but we're supposed to go out to eat at 4 o'clock. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So my mom's here. We're about to leave in a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this to the car. Let's hope they won't see. I'm gonna get to y'all when I'm there. They saw me coming up, but who cares? Oh, it's raining. You guys, look. Okay, y'all, so it's raining out here. So I don't know if the people. Y'all, I'm so scared. I wonder what's gonna happen. I'm scared. I feel like my dad's gonna be like, you're childish, because he's always like, you're too grown to be doing this and that. Like, you're never too old to be childish, you know? Gotta live your life. But yeah. So I'm gonna just get to y'all whenever we're gonna be in the car. To the car right now, you guys. Y'all gotta be shh, okay? Y'all can't say nothing. Okay. Y'all here. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so scared. Alright, we're in the car now. And we're gonna head somewhere first, and then we're gonna head to wherever we're gonna go. Well, I don't know. We're just gonna go along with the vlog. I mean, with the whatever, okay? It's nothing so far. Not one single. This is an epic fail. I'm so mad right now, y'all. My father went over there.
¿Tú también no puedes? No sé, ahorita yo no he bajado ninguna aplicación todavía. Porque no me deja agregar mi correo. Hasta que no agarre una verificación de mi correo, pero tampoco me dejaba entrar a mi correo.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
¿Quién le puso eso al carro?
¿Cuál? ¿Qué le pusieron?
A ver.
Espérame.
¿Y eso qué significa?
¿Y no se lo quitaste? ¿Qué le pusiste, Vané? ¿Ah? Con razón la señora se va riendo. Vané,
¿Qué?
¿qué le pusiste? ¿Vas y quitas lo que pusiste?
Puse honk for good luck.
Hazle pipi pa buena suerte.
We got caught. Angel, te dije.
Muévete, Vanessa.
¿Por qué te enojas? What you getting mad? We gotta take it off. Such a party poopers.
Nadie te quitó. Todo el mundo.
Oh, we got a honk. It's like we didn't. This was an epic fail.
Escribes tus números.
So the prank was an epic fail, but we're downtown right now. We're gonna go eat, meet up with Amy, and yeah. I'm probably gonna vlog some parts of what we're gonna do right now. Maybe. Probably. Maybe not. This is my mom. But yeah.